Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming essentials, signed into Google, location on, and Find My Device enabled. Open the Android settings now, navigate to Security or Google Find My Device and turn it on. Make sure location is set to high accuracy and connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data so the phone can report its position. Once done, you can immediately test by visiting android.com/find from a browser and signing into the same Google account to start locating the device. Now that permissions are active, use the Find My Device site or the app to find your phone. Sign in and allow the map to refresh. The dot shows the current or last known location. If nearby, choose Play Sound to ring your device even if silent. If lost in public, pick Secure Device to lock and display a contact message. Choose Erase only if you can't recover it. Make sure to check battery level so you know how long tracking will continue. Finish by verifying that the lock screen message and contact number show, then coordinate recovery safely. Do not attempt risky retrievals. If the device is offline, keep checking Android.com/find. The location updates when it reconnects. As a troubleshooting step, if Find My Device fails, make sure location and internet are on, toggle them if needed, and sign out then back into Google. This often forces a fresh location ping. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.